welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom.
I just started losing my hair, but I know I won't be able to meet up with this hair losing. Mwasa. Lovely people, fine people, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode. Welcome to another vlog, guys. See, I have to go and wear this my dress that I've worn before. I want to quickly rush to the market. If I don't go this market, come back soon. So, but remember that I did not increase my light brightening. So I'm going to the market. I just started losing this hair. I'll just leave it short like this. There's a way I'll pack it to look like the African queen hairstyle. So I'm heading to the market now. Me and my sister. I want to go restock the house. Our house is literally empty. So this is a market vlog. So come, let's go together, okay? See the way I'm glowing. See the way I'm glowing. Look at this one. Oh.
Hi everyone, welcome here. I'm so happy.
So guys, stopped at bought spaghetti and all the spice, the buy salt, all granite oil. We don't have that on the spaghetti. Bought tomatoes, I took 3. That medium one, I don't have that on the sachet tomatoes. I bought 1 sachet of milk and 1 pack of that man British eye. So now we left everything there. I also bought men 1 roll. So I make it to open. I just find out about this place about this place that they sell at wholesale price. It's actually cheaper than and all these people that is selling. Just like on the chat price. So now we are heading to Boko to get the main stores that I know that it's not cheap, like tomatoes, pepper, veggies, and other things. So let me update you guys. Let's go. Huh? For 1. If I give you, you go collect. I think this one could be You say?
Price.
Huh?
Price. Price.
Half now, how much? No. How much I buy it for inside car? I 1.5. If they sell, you pack. So now okra fresh. Well, I know they eat okra.
Maybe 250.
We were just there. We were there somehow. They said
Shy
it's
everyone, welcome here.
give me.
Yes.
Like calculate 1 4 times. So.
This is heaven.
Which I go?
Oh yeah, which one?
Look at both of them now.
Let's
Which one
share
that
the
said not
beauty
the same name?
of life again.
This one.
From morning light to
Oh, this one.
evening
This one.
glow.
But this thing no dry well.
Through every season, welcome to Noru Jennifer, where love lives every day. Moments, family, faith, together we'll find
Where you can't go? You go village.
Oh, mommy.
Hi. Guys, I'm back. I came back around 1. Let me come closer. I came back around 1, but I head out to do something. So I just came back. Let me just quickly show you guys what I got. Yeah. Let me show you guys what I got and I'll go and rest. Okay? Pepper and this long one. Tomatoes. I got these 3 tomato. I got 3. Half of this. I got 1 roll of this. Half and leaf. Got egusi, cocoyam. I got fish, panla fish, periwinkle, water leaf, banga. I got 4 bottles of red oils. I got cabbage, carrots. I think this one. Onions, plantains, oil. Cannot tell you. This one fell inside back of my freezer. I'll take it open. Got salt, holes, half cartons of spaghetti. So guys, these are all I got. I hope my head is showing. These are all the stuff that I got today. We have some things at home. We have rice, we have gari, we have beans, we have yam. Yeah, so I just got these ones. And here, my friend, my husband's brother brought us something. I'll show you guys. Another plantain. Gari, plenty fufu, very soft, it's just to warm it and I also got meat too, but it's inside the freezer. I bought beef 10,000. I bought pomo, the one that has flesh, or the cow legs. Yeah, I got cow leg. I must have this is the same 10,000 or so. I also got the light one, the pomo that is very light, the one I will slice small. Cow meat too. I did not buy those ones. They are selling 1,500. So it's inside the freezer because I have to put it inside the freezer so it won't get spoiled. So let me go and rest and edit. My sister has gone to pick up my kids. So I'll see you guys maybe in my cooking in the evening. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. I love you all. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye.